The first thing that we do is to put the cup between the hands to cover it and to heat it a little bit. This is help the aroma rise.
Yes.
Okay, when we're talking about quality of olive oil, you need aroma. Now you will try and you will see, okay? The second step is to smell it. What do you smell?
I smell green.
Yeah, fresh green grass. This is what I smell. For me, I smell a little bit of acidity.
Yeah.
Acidity of tomato, maybe.
Yeah.
Something like that. Even acidity of apple. Then, and the third step is to put it in the mouth, to feel it with all the sense, and in the end you swallow it. But first we make cheers.
Cheers, לחיים.
صحتين.
صحتين.
לחיים ולשמחה.
תודה רבה לך. Thank
صحتين.
you.